This dance is called Marie's Wedding Heel and Toe. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Touch your right heel forward twice. On the and count, bring the right back beside the left. Touch the left beside the right twice. On the and count, you're going to step the left beside the right. So it's kind of some heel-toe switches. It's 2 heels, 2 toes. That set of steps once more then. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe and. Remember to put your weight back on that left foot. You're now going into some rolling vines. So we're going to start by rolling to the right. So you make a quarter turn right as you step that right forward, half a turn right as you step back on that left, further quarter of a turn right as you step that right to the side. Those are all done on single count timing. 1, 2, 3. On and 4, you clap twice. So you clap on the and, you clap on the 4. You're going to repeat that then, going back to the left. So quarter of a turn left as you step that left forward, half a turn left as you step back on the right, quarter of a turn left as you step the left to the side, and 8, clap, clap. That set of steps once more then. Rolling vine, half to the right. 7, 8. Turn, 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 clap, clap. Turn, 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 clap, clap. Now each of those rolling vines is a full turn. If you struggle to do those rolling vines, you can just replace them with a normal vine. So non-turning steps. Should you need them, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, clap, clap. Left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, clap, clap. So just replace the rolling vines with normal vines. Now I may or may not do those rolling vines in the dance. I might do a mixture. We'll see how the dance goes. But for the duration of this demonstration, walkthrough, I'll actually do the rolling vine version, but just remember you can just do a normal vine if you're struggling to do them. Now there are some other optional styling steps that you can do in this dance. When you are doing that rolling vine to the right, the artist will sing from time to time, arm, arm. When he does that and you're doing that rolling vine, you can lift your arms up. Make them bent, form that fist, arm, one arm at a time, arm, clap, clap. It's only when you're doing it to the right. So optional styling steps. Listen out for the artist singing arm, arm, and then you can do those arm movements as you're turning on that section. So let's just add that to the top. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe and turn, 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 clap, clap, turn, 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 clap, clap. Touch your right heel forward. Step the left beside the right beside the left. Touch your left beside the right. Step the left in place. Heel and toe. So heel toe switches. Chassé to the right. Side, close, side. And you're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So you're going to touch that left heel forward, left beside right. Touch the right toe beside the left. Step the right in place. Chassé to the left. Side, close, side. That set of steps once more then. Heel and toe and chassé. Off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and toe and right chassé. Heel and toe and it a little bit slower at this stage. From the top then, step pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel, and toe, toe, and turn, 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 clap, clap, turn, 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 clap, clap. Heel and toe and right chassé, heel and toe and left chassé. Touch your right heel forward, step the right beside the left. Make a quarter turn to the left as you touch the left beside the right. Step the left beside the right, so left now goes in place, weights on the left. Go forward on a step, lock, step, right foot leading, step, lock, step, step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, another step, lock, step, going forward, left foot leads, step, lock, step. So that set of steps once more then. So it's that same heel-toe switch combination, but we're putting a quarter turn in it. Half on that right. 7, 8. Heel and turn toe and step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, lock, step. That is the end of the dance when you get to that point. Now you know why it has heel and toe in the title. Step, pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe and turn, 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 clap, clap, turn, 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 clap, clap. Heel and toe and right chassé, heel and toe and left chassé, heel and toe and step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, lock, step. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Step, pivot off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully you get a feel for the timing. Now the music has got a little bit of a pace to it, and it is a 4-wall dance. So I'm going to go through the other 3 walls, and I'm going to pick the speed up just a bit as we go around those walls. Step, pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe and turn, 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 clap, clap, turn, 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 clap, clap. Heel and toe and right chassé, heel and toe and left chassé, heel and toe and step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, lock, step, step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe and turn, 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 clap, clap, turn, 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 clap, clap. Heel and toe and right chassé, heel and toe and left chassé, heel and toe and step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, lock, step, step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe, turn, 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 clap, clap, turn, 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 clap, clap. Heel and toe and right chassé, heel and toe and left chassé, heel and toe and step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, lock, step. So hopefully you managed to keep up with that. Now there are 2 restarts in this dance. They both come in the same places, which is after 16 counts. So after you've done your rolling vine section, you restart the dance. Your first one is on wall 5, which is your 12 o'clock wall. So the first time you get back to 12 o'clock, you have a restart in that wall. You keep going around then, you'll get to 9 o'clock, that is your next restart wall. So wall 9, which happens to be the 9 o'clock wall, you will again restart after 16 counts. So let's take you up to 16 counts, wall 5, restart the dance. Step, pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe and turn, 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 clap, clap, turn, 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 clap, clap. Restart, step, pivot, walk, walk, heel, heel and toe, toe. So that's your restart point. So you do your 2 roll and vine sections and then you restart the dance. So that's it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information, walls 5 and 9 after 16 counts. Let's give it a go to their music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, we gaily on we go. Heel, heel and toe, toe and turn, arm and toe, clap, clap, turn, turn, clap, clap. Heel and toe and right chassé. Heel and toe and right chassé. Heel and toe and step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step. We gaily on we go. Heel, heel and toe, toe and turn, turn, toe and rock. Have you managed that one?